My name is Jessica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm showing you guys my updated cart storage situation. I've been in my studio for about 2 years now, and I DIY'd that glitter canvas. To be honest, I DIY'd almost everything in here. So when I outgrew my Alex drawer, it's not really an Alex drawer from IKEA, it's actually from Michael's, I was thinking of different ways to store my eyelashes, and I was thinking about a ton of different ways, and none of them were kind of practical to me. So I found something else. I'm so thankful that my family helps me a lot, so you guys are gonna see them throughout this video. They help me a ton. I'm so thankful for them. I'm very thankful for my clientele as well, that I get to provide this luxurious service to them. I get to, you know, update my room and make it look as beautiful as I could possibly make it. If you guys want your own business, I know it's possible. I started from nothing. My studio was literally 1, 2, 3 white walls and windows right here, and I made it how I wanted to make it, little by little. I do wish that I was vlogging a little bit more consistent back then. I was kind of, but I wasn't showing a full 180 of my room. I still don't have a full 180 video, and I definitely should do that because my future self is going to be so proud of myself from everywhere I've came from and how I've accomplished all my goals. So yeah, I need to do a video of my room because it was not always like this, and little by little I just made it how I want it to be. And like I said, if you guys want to do it, you definitely can. Just put your mind to it. Consistency is key. Just keep going, keep going. There's going to be days that you're going to be a little bit backtracked, but if you keep going, your visions could come to life. So like I said, I outgrew my Alex drawer. It's not an Alex drawer, I don't know what they call it at Michael's, and I found a picture on Pinterest. Follow me on there, it's Jesicavxo. I found this picture of a cart. I'll have it probably here for you guys. I actually looked on Michael's because I was like, I got my white one from Michael's, so I looked on there and they had it. They had it in different colors. They have black, they have mint, purple. Of course, mine had to be rose gold. So I purchased my rose gold one, and that's where everything starts.
So this is our cheese, guys. This is our cheese. It's been away. It was just like that.
So now we built our little cart. It was super easy. It took us literally like 10 minutes. It was like not long at all. Rudy helped me. Now what I am going to do is I have a lot of lashes that I need to store, so I am planning to have them like this with their little label here. I need to remove this little shelf because I have this little shelf where I have this things that I'm going to be putting on top. Having the little white shelves next to me were super helpful as I needed them to be, but then I started outgrowing my lash drawer, and I needed a space for my lash trays where I could just glance over whenever I'm lashing. If I'm done with like a little strip, I want to be able to glance over, pick the tray I need, take a strip, you know, do it super fast. So I was debating on just putting all my lashes there on that little shelf, but then the problem was, where am I going to put everything where the shelf is? There was not going to be another spot, and I need all those things next to me anyways, so a cart definitely helped. Now I have 2 carts. This is my junk drawer, you guys. Please don't judge me. I just have like personal stuff. I have stuff that I haven't used. These are my favorite loops. I use these every time I lash. They have a light as well. They're super duper bright. They are amazing to lash with. They help me with my back being super straight. But I'm just going to start organizing this. this is a lot of stuff. Alrighty, nice and clean. So let's start with this up in here. This drawer needs a major upgrade as well. These right here are cream cheese containers that you could buy on Amazon. I actually velcroed them down because I really like to do everything with one hand when I'm lashing. So I just want to like pop it open with one hand. I don't want to have to deal with me grabbing it and then opening it, because if it's not velcroed down, it does not open. So what I did was I did a little velcroed them down, and I have my little mascara wands and then my little lip wands in here. What's gonna happen is I bought new containers for these. These I've had for about 2 years now, so this is gonna get a major upgrade. My tweezers are in here as well, and I got another acrylic thing for them. This right here is where I keep my adhesive rings. These are the ones that I use to drop my adhesive in. I don't use a jade stone, but I used to use this when I did use a jade stone. As you can see, they're super smooth, so they would sometimes slide in my recliner. This is like a bottle opener type of deal or whatever. I just cut it in a little circle and would place it like this so my jade stone wouldn't move away. I guess I don't need this as well. This, I have one right here, so when I'm doing volume, this is the actual mascara wand I use to like fluff up the lashes before I start doing volume. And I also have like little Borboleta bubbles. I don't use these as actual to fan. What I do is I put them behind my palette so my palette doesn't slide around. Some tape that I do not need. I don't use that tape. Then I have more of my glue rings here, more face masks. I don't use these as well. And then just so all of this drawer is going to get a major revamp once my other stuff come in. New pile, which is right here. There we go. Side have adhesive rings. With this one, I got little straws and I am cutting them. So when I'm done with my customer, I never used to do this, but I thought this was really cute. Cover your little mascara wand. So I was trying to reach in here because it's so clear. So all you do is when you're done doing a service, you put the little straws covering the mascara wand. So I'm gonna cut way more and fill this one up with those. And this third one I'm going to be filling with lip wands. There we go. These are all nice and ready. I don't really use these tiny micro ones. I used to use them when I used primer. I don't really prime anymore, but sometimes I do if my client is super oily. So that's what these are for. I'm just gonna keep some in here. You see, now all three are nice and perfect. These look horrible because I think acetone and barbicide and all that stuff kind of like messed these up, but these used to look really pretty in the beginning. These are less expensive. I think these are $20 each if I'm not mistaken. These are like $5 to $10 on Amazon, so I'll have these linked down below, and these also. Okay, so little overview of how it looks. This is where I lash. This is where my chair is. I'm gonna show you guys what's in both of my carts. I hope you guys get some inspiration out of this. So here is the first one. There, look how beautiful this looks. This is a major upgrade from how it looked before. My husband actually cut enough of those to put on all of them. I just haven't done it. So here it's just my personal stuff. My little coaster's still back there. I still have deodorant. I have vitamins in here. I have little scrunchie. You guys already seen this. On here I just have backstock, so my face mask, more mascara wands, my little label maker refills, lash bath, my back brace that I use all the time now, more backstock, so here's lip wands, glue rings, straws, and my head pads, and just paper towels. Now on this drawer over here I have my tape. I actually put labels on all this stuff, just I don't know, just to be a little bit more bougie, I think, or I don't know. My favorite tape that I use is this one. It is the Nichiban tape. I will have it linked down below. I also have like the other microfiber tape in here, so I put it in this little cute canister that I could untwist with one hand. I have more makeup sponges for my little lid, my little tape dispenser, my adhesive. I have these, a water bottle and distilled water for my mister, water just in case I need to give one of my clients a lash bath. I have hand sanitizer, of course. Here I have this one that I personally love. This is a little tissue box. I'll have it linked down below, but this is sideways instead of up, so it gives me more space, so I can have my little mister in here, and then my little Glamcore ring light. Also I put my little ring light, no, this is just a Glamcore remote, and I can have my AirPods here as well, so I use this to put here for my SMA. Still need to cover holes, don't judge me. I also have my little tweezer stands here, so look at my tweezers. I have more tweezers here. I have the fan by me, so you make fans and you place them on here instead of crystallizing them. My Borboleta little lash trays, lash tiles, I don't really use these as much, but I still do. I have these that I use that are my other tiles. Of course I need this right next to me so I can do my stretches every 30-45 minutes. You need to stretch, so I have my little Lash Happy little laminated mirror. Here's all my lashes, my Barbicide, all that good stuff. So I wanted to show you guys these because I never showed you guys how I did it. Super easy. Before I had them laying down here in that cart like I showed you before, so they were on the side. Now I have them here, so I got other type of stickers. These are little circles. They come in lots of different colors. I'll have them linked down below, but all I did is color coordinate them by curl. So C's are this color and D's are this color. Then I also put on here 0.7 and the lengths I have left. So if I use, like, let's say a 10, I'll take the 10 off of here, or I'll just Sharpie it. If I didn't have enough space, I'll just Sharpie it. But I have my C's, my D's, 0.15s, 0.5s, 0.3s. I also have L curls, so those are the purple ones. But that's just how I do it, so I can see them, automatically see what I need. Super quick and easy. My Barbicide down there, of course, business cards, Clorox wipes, and my dusty trusty trash can. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, it was a much needed updated cart. It's been like that for 2 years, you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. My next video is definitely going to be the one of my iPad. So many people have been asking me about it since I mentioned it, since I showed it on my last video. So if you guys do want that video, stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video if you guys liked it. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down just so I can know. Subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so I can be notified or you can be notified the next time I upload a new video. Until then, bye.